Hi Leo, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 26th of December. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly jump in and see what this particular week has in store for all of you. Now the first card that I see for you is the Empress card, the Page of Wands, and the King of Wands. Person B here has the Chariot card, the Death card, and the Queen of Cups. Bottom of the deck I have the Wheel of Fortune, which means that you're waiting for time to change so that things between you and your partner can change. Now from the first set of cards which shows your energy, you have the Empress energy. Now Empress is a major arcana card and it's a very strong energy. With that you have all the qualities of all the queens. So it doesn't mean that it's only for females. It means that it's the energy that you are in. Now when I say this, it means that you will have the qualities of all the queens, which means in all aspects of your life you will go ahead and do really well. Be it your finances, be it your career, business, family, personal life, you will be at the peak with regards to all areas of your life. Now for very few cases, okay, fertility and pregnancy is also something that the Empress energy indicates. Now for the second card I see Page of Wands. Page of Wands is that energy where you focus towards having a good time. So it focuses more on passion, sex, physical attraction, and it's kind of an immature energy. The second card being the Page of Wands, your third card is the King of Wands. Now it gradually moves to a little more mature energy. With King of Wands, you're again still focused on passion and physical attraction, but your energy matures, and with that you will be a little more mature on understanding what is good for you, what is right and what is wrong. And you will also be in that energy where in case if you want something, be it materialistic or be it a person, you will go ahead and get it, but you will act very maturely and think through before you take any action. Now for person B here, your partner, the first card is the Chariot card. Now the Chariot energy is that energy where you want to rush, you want to march forward and take this thing to the next level. The second card for them is the Death card, which means some kind of transformation is required. And the third card here is Queen of Cups, which is receiving energy. Now when I say Queen of Cups, it's the energy where you want to receive love and affection. Now it again doesn't mean it's only for females. It's the energy that you will be in, okay, when you will want to go ahead and receive instead of providing that love and affection. Now let's quickly go ahead and see what is the intention of this person for you for this week. So the first card is Six of Cups, Hanged Man, and the World card. Now with Six of Cups, it means that this person, whenever they are alone, they think about you, and they're also trying to think if there's a possibility to rekindle this relationship. With the Hanged Man, there could be something that this person is stuck, they're not able to move. And with the World card, it means that there's some old chapter that needs to end. Only then this new chapter can begin. Now let's quickly go ahead and also see what is the message we have from the Moonology Oracle decks for all of you. So the message that I see here is bring love into the situation. This means that maybe both of you are looking at only materialistic things. You also need to bring in love and affection into this relationship. Now let's quickly also see what is the message we have from archangels, and if there is a crystal that can help you in this situation. So the crystal that I see for you is Shell Fossil. The crystal message is, are you ready to uncover memories or wisdom stored within your consciousness? Spiral inward to understand your dreams and vision. Recognize the value of the past and use it as a stepping stone for the future. You have much wisdom inherent within you, so use it. Now with this, there is also a message here from Archangel Jophiel, which I'll go ahead and put in the description box, and you can read it from there. Now that's all that I have for you for this week. If you like the content of these videos, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and till the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.